Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. First, open the Start menu and you go to Settings. Then go to Windows Update and click Check for updates if you don't have any updates prepared. And if you do, just click Download and Install, and this way you will update your Windows. For additional updates, go to Advanced Options and select Optional Updates. And if you have any updates here, you can select which ones you want to download and install by hitting the checkbox next to the update titles, and then select Download and Install in the bottom right corner. As you can see, once the Windows finds any updates for your device, it will automatically begin to download and install them if you have an internet connection on your laptop. Once the updates are installed, you may have to restart your computer in case it says so right here. In such case, you're gonna have the Restart Now button in this place. As you can see, this update was completed without the need to restart my computer, therefore I wasn't notified about restarting my computer, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.